Hey guys, this is a quick unboxing of this Ryobi 18V 1 Plus 3-speed impact wrench. I paid 97 euros for it as a Black Friday deal. The model is R18IW3. This is something which I have wanted already for a long time because I can torque my lug nuts with this and get the nuts open in the car wheels a lot faster. So the torque which this should be able to do is 400 Newton meters. For example, my Tesla Model Y lug nut torque is 175 Newton meters, so this should be fine for doing that. Of course, it's not precise with this, so always check with a torque wrench. This has a 3-year warranty, which is nice, and usually the Ryobi tool quality is very good. It has a 1.5 inch, can't find the word now for it, but 1.5 inch, so that's a common size for doing jobs on the car. So this is just a tool, it doesn't have a battery in it. It has a manual for the tool, and let's see what else. Okay, this is, I guess, some safety warnings, and then the tool itself, and nothing else. This is actually surprisingly heavy. It says 1.58 kilograms, and comparing this to a Ryobi drill, this is a lot heavier. It seems to have 3 speeds, 1, 2, and 3. Here we can see the model information, and it seems I'm lucky I got one from 2023, so this is a fresh one, but I don't know, does it really matter that much. And I just plugged in one of the batteries I got, and yeah, we can see it has LEDs here in the front, which is nice because if you're doing a job outside, like changing to winter tires, it's most likely already dark. And yeah, it works both directions. And this is now on speed 3, and speed 1 is a lot slower. Yeah, so this is a quick unboxing. If you found this video helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.